In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline text in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, eye-catching outline to any text so your titles and captions stand out on any background. Go ahead and open your project in Canva. This can be any design you're working on, perhaps a social post, a presentation slide, or a thumbnail. Once your project is open on the canvas, click the text box you want to edit. You should see a bounding box appear around it, confirming it's selected. If you have multiple text elements, be sure you're selecting the specific one you want to outline, not a shape or image nearby. With the text box selected, look to the top toolbar and click the Effects button. This opens a panel on the side of your screen with different text effects you can apply. In that panel, choose the outline style. As soon as you select it, Canva applies a default outline to your text so you can see the effect right away on your canvas. Now let's customize it so it fits your design. First, adjust the color. Click the color swatch in the outline settings, and pick a color that complements your design while still standing out from the background. High contrast is your friend here. Dark outlines around light text, or light outlines around dark backgrounds, usually read best at a glance. Feel free to match brand colors if you have them, or test a few options to see what looks strongest. Next, refine the thickness. Use the thickness slider to control how bold or subtle the outline appears. Slide it to the right for a thicker, more dramatic border, or to the left for a fine, delicate edge. A good rule of thumb is to check how your text looks at the size it will actually be used. If your design will be viewed on mobile or as a small graphic, a slightly thicker outline often improves readability. If it's a large headline, you can keep it more refined and still get great clarity. As you make these changes, keep an eye on the overall balance of your design. The goal is to enhance the text without overwhelming it. The nice thing about Canva's effects panel is that everything is live and reversible, so you can experiment freely and settle on the exact combination that feels right for your project. That's it. Thanks for watching.